Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my 4th fall FabFitFun Box. Now, because I've had 4 boxes, I can give you a little bit of a review of some of the things that I'm enjoying from the box and some thoughts along the way. I have another scratch ticket here. This is my 4th one. I did not win on any of the other ones, and I actually discovered an interesting thing. These scratch tickets are very difficult to actually scratch off. Like they just do not scratch well. So there is a code in the corner right here. If you go to the forum, there's a place on the website that you can submit your code and you can determine whether or not you win. So if you can't scratch your scratch card, that's how you find out if you're a winner or not. So that's the first thing. That is nice to get a second one of those. This is one of the reasons why I was happy to get a 4th box, which sounds crazy, but I subscribed on my American account. One of my friends was going to the States. They picked this up for me. I'm so grateful for that. Now I get to try this extra goodie that was added in. And honestly, I don't even know if I will try them, but we're always in need of these for my girls. They find great relief when they're coming down with something to have a little lozenge like this. And the flavor sounds incredible. So maybe I'll save one for myself and try them. So customization number 1, I will admit to you, I snuck open the box. I didn't unbox anything other than I did take out this Living Proof triple bond complex. In customization number 1, some of the other choices that I've been enjoying are the Murad face cream. That's a definite thumbs up. The duffel bag, I've been using it for a gym bag and I like it, but it's not necessarily going to be big enough come winter. Like I'm just barely finding I can fit everything I need into that bag to be able to shower at the gym and everything. I've tried this once. I don't love it. I might find a different result after using it for a bit, but I didn't see any great result off the first try of it. So we'll keep giving this a try and I'll use up the product and see if it makes a difference. Speaking of hair care product, I actually will show you one thing that I did as an add-on, and that's this nice shampoo and conditioner. I do like this brand. It was a reasonable price to put it in the add-ons. So I don't know if I put it in as a refill or as an add-on, but this is a nice set of shampoo and conditioners, and it's also great for the gym because it's a small set of bottles that fit nicely in the gym bag. So that was one of the reasons why I just added that into the box. Customization number 2, I chose the scarf, and I like the color. I don't wear a lot of things that I find will match well with this color, but I will use a scarf. We are in Canada, it's already getting cold, and this will be a nice addition to my winter and or fall attire. Anyway, this is the scarf, and I quite like it, actually. I think I will leave it on. It feels very cozy. It's already getting cool here. Our first weekend of September was the hottest weather we had all summer. And I thought, okay, maybe it's gonna be a warm fall. And then no, today it's 6 degrees. So it's chilly, but it's sunny. It feels exactly like fall weather. And we're just almost a week away from it officially turning fall. So anyway, that's the way that it is. This will come in handy, and this feels very cozy and very warm and very soft. I like the length of it and everything. It's cute, and actually I was concerned about the color. I don't wear a lot that I thought would match this tone, but I'm not even minding this combination. Let's leave it on. All right, customization number 3. I chose the Free People candle again. So I have 2 of them now. One of the reasons why is I am redoing my craft room. So you can watch for a new series. I just spent 9 hours and $3,000 at IKEA, Canada, and my products have been delivered. So I went to Winnipeg for a summer trip to take the kids to the zoo. And on that trip, I did a long stint at IKEA. I went online after seeing everything, after measuring everything, after determining exactly how I wanted to design my room. I ordered all of the stuff that I could put my entire craft room together from scratch. Like, there's a brand new room with empty everything waiting for me to paint and set up my new craft room. And one of the themes or sort of color schemes that I was hoping to achieve is a boho chic, but I wanted it to be boho with pink instead of all of the earth tones. So I got another one of these candles, and it's interesting actually because a lot of people have had a variety of different opinions about the scent of this. Some people have thought it smells very vanilla, and some people have thought it smells very earthy. I never get the vanilla from this. And maybe it's because I really like vanilla and I find it a very strong scent, and I usually typically make that my main scent within a candle or lotion or perfume or whatnot. So it might be there, but it's so subtle that it just doesn't really speak to a lot of vanilla for me. It's not a strong candle and it doesn't give me a headache, so that's good. It's not an overpowering scent. I do really like that lodge that's on there. That's really cute. Now I have a second one of these, and yeah, I'm happy to have that. I think it will match the aesthetic. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are interested in seeing my journey all the way from shopping, designing, constructing, setting up, and using a craft room / office completely IKEA. So that was this customization. In this customization number 3, I chose in the other boxes the lip balm. I like it. I love the packaging. It has a nice vanilla, chocolatey sort of sweet scent that I enjoy. So I'm happy about that. And I'm trying to think of what else I got in that category. Oh, yes, this eyeliner, the KVD eyeliner. I think that was the same customization, whatever category it was in. I absolutely love it. It might have been in category 4. Maybe the lipstick was too. Anyway, my review on the eyeliner and the lipstick are A+. I'm so glad to have it. And in fact, I think this will be a repurchase on this eyeliner. I've tried liquid eyeliners before, didn't like them. And I think it was just because I was trying one that wasn't a great one. So I'm glad that I found and discovered those new products. In my next customization 4, so this was a seasonal box, so I was only allowed to choose the first 4 products. This wasn't what I wanted in that category, but they were sold out of everything else that I had wanted. And so I chose this as a little stocking stuffer for one of the teenagers in the house. What I didn't get to choose, customization number 5, was the Cocoa Coffee Scrub. I've had this Frank Body Works coffee scrub before. I do find it nice. It does have a nice exfoliating aspect to it. The thing that I was concerned about is the new shower that we have has a really long drain that I thought these coffee grind type particles would just get stuck in, and I didn't choose it for that reason. But I was thinking, now that I have a new gym membership and I shower at the gym, I will bring this there and shower there and they can clean it up. And I say that because my new gym like pressure washes the showers after everyone's shower. And I don't know if that's just because I'm always there around lunchtime, like I'm going today, and I am done my shower around noon, and maybe that's when it's busiest. Maybe that's when the cleaner just happens to come, but it seems to me like they are always there cleaning the showers, and they have all the heavy equipment out and ready to wash it down, so they can, if it causes any sort of buildup in the drain, it'll quickly get washed away. So that's good. And then customization 6, I was in love with so many products in customization 6. I chose a lot of things. I chose the sweet little polka dot baskets. Love those. Would have been happy if I got those again. I got the nice little glass mirrored ring box with a gold finish. Love that. Would have been fine to have another one of those as well. I would have really liked to have chosen the Necessaire body cream because I think that would have been a really great product. I did get the mascara, the Too Faced mascara that I am wearing right now, and that one is a staple for me, so that was great to choose that. There were so many good products in that category that I also wanted to choose the Verb hair heat protectant because I'd seen good reviews from other FabFitFun community members, and I didn't choose it because I was like, I can't have everything and I have a lot of buildup of hair products to use, so I didn't choose it, but I am so glad that it was chosen for me. I cannot believe that out of all of the products that could have come to me, that I didn't get a duplicate when I purchased so many of the products from Customization 6, and I ended up getting one of the ones that was on my list that I really wanted to try. So yay, I get to have this Ghost Prep Heat Protectant to see how this one works. There is definitely something to be said for the seasonal account, because when you're seasonal, you get to see all the unboxings and all the reviews about people who have tried things and what they've enjoyed, and it can really help you make your choices better on customizing. I also like that this box is an American box, so if there's any American choices I can't get in Canada, it's handy. So anyway, are you getting the fall box? Are you getting the winter box when it comes out? Let me know in the comments down below what products you've really loved from your fall box. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.